Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing oats laddu and they are really very healthy as well as filling, and the amount of energy that they provide is tremendous. Also, I'll be using very basic and very easily available ingredients in this particular recipe. I'm using rice puff, which are about 2 cups of rice puff. They are like high in fiber and folate. About a small cup of choco chips. This is dark chocolate, which has lesser calories as compared to normal milk chocolate, as well as a cup of rolled oats, about a cup of peanut butter. You can increase or decrease the quantity according to your taste. If you like more peanutty flavor, then you can add more of it. If you don't like that much of peanut flavor, you can decrease the amount. Also, I'm using raw organic honey. This I'll be using about 3/4 cup. And now let's start with our recipe. So over here in a mixing pot, I have added peanut butter and now I am adding the raw honey. Also, we need to melt them, so we'll just microwave them for about 30 seconds and that will be all. So after 30 seconds, this is the consistency of the peanut butter as well as honey. Mix everything well. And now we'll be dropping in oats as well as choco chips and the rice puff and mix everything well. So as you can see, everything is mixed nicely. Now we will let it chill in the refrigerator for about 10 to 20 minutes and see you after that. So now taking the batter for the laddu into the hand, and now we'll make a round ball type as I've made over here, as you can see. And here you go, your laddu is ready, and you can make energy bars out of it also, and it's really very easy. And here you go, your laddu is ready. So I really hope you find it yummy as well as it is quite a lot enjoyed by the kids. Placing it over here. Now let's serve it. So friends, over here we have healthy bites in the form of laddu. You can call them peanut butter laddu, or you can say oats laddu, or whatever you wish to. They are very very full of energy, and I really hope that you like this recipe. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.